Welcome to Safe Conveyor. Today we're demonstrating a standard 9-degree turn. We do a lot of these for different customers moving different types of products. But what's sort of different and special about this particular model is that the guardrails are cut down and they're just flush with the belt. So we call that as a flush guardrail, and that allows you to slide things off the sides and have something maybe a little bit bigger, or if you're making a corner turn with a long box and you need to cut the corner, which I've shown in other videos, you can use that. But you can get off the other side too and it'll swing around. This particular customer wanted to then divert it to do some other processing further down the line. So this is one of our custom guide rail systems here. It's adjustable. So you would tune this to size box that you're doing. This particular customer had a box size, and so we've tuned it. I'm going to put that box on the line. We'll have but one arm, and we'll let it go. So it's going to be coming out of some kind of machinery, and it's going to drop on the line, shoot out of that line, and make a turn, go down the line. And if it's slightly crooked, it's going to hit that guide rail piece there, sort of straighten it out, and then I think they're going to do something with the other end. So it's just a simple system, standard conveyor. This happened to be a two-section conveyor, so it joined in the right there. And then at the corners, because it's such a short conveyor, it's happened to be 12-inch wide by 24 inches long. It only really needs one stand. Now I'm not showing all of the struts that would, the crossbars that would go, up through here. But this is just for testing here. This is what we call a corner turn post. Basically what you do is you're using that to bump turn on the corner. So as you come around the corner here, you're going to hit that. You can adjust this, up and down the line, depending on where you want to break that corner and get it to look like this. Sort of like tune it in. Same thing with the adjustable guide rails. This one has a flex joint. You can adjust that. And you can mount this with the long bar trailing and the short bar leading. It depends on how far you want to push something over. The further you got to push it over, the longer that bar is going to be needed. If you're only pushing it a little bit, then you can use the short rail. And you can just adjust these on the sides. You can mount these anywhere on the top T-slots. This is one of our lower guide rails, so it's really only about an inch off the belt. So hopefully that's going to show what you can do in a 90-degree turn using a box that's going to need to cut around the corner. Thanks for watching.